Hi, my name is Holly Lavoie, and I am the Program Coordinator for South Carolina INBRE, and I'd like to tell you about a new grant program that we have for grant year 2024-2025, and it is the Student Initiated Training Award for Data Analytics. Best place to learn about SC INBRE and our funding programs is the scinbre.org website. At the top of the website, there's a tab for funding. On this drop-down menu, there will be a link to the SITA, or Student Initiated Training Award. Click on the link. On this page, you will find the dates for the letter of intent and submission of the application and the details, as well as the forms that you will need to submit your application. The site also has the link at which you will submit your letter of intent and the link at which you will submit your complete final application. What are some of the key dates that you need to know? Award period is September 1st, 2024, August 31st, 2025. Funding cannot be extended beyond this end date. Some really important dates for you to know are the letter of intent deadline, which this year is Monday, March the 4th, 2024 by 5 p.m. through the website that I just showed you, and submission of the complete application is due April 5th, 2024 by 5 p.m. So if you even think you would like to submit one of these proposals, please submit your letter of intent by the deadline so we know that an application might be coming from you. We plan to make up to 10 SITA awards. So who's eligible? You need to be an undergraduate or graduate student at a South Carolina INBRE affiliated institution and not funded through the COBRA grant program. You need to have a mentor, and the mentor will fill out a mentor collaboration form detailing how you will be trained in their interaction with you. The difference between the SITA and the SERP award that we have through SC INBRE is the SITA award is a data analysis award. So you will have already collected your data or obtained your data through another mechanism such as a public database. Focus of this award is data analysis and in getting the training to do data analysis. There will be a required summer component to either attend data analytics workshops or an approved course in data analytics. Data analysis should include statistical approaches and/or computational methods and/or artificial intelligence or machine learning. It must be in a biomedically relevant topic, as South Carolina INBRE is funded by NIH. NIH is interested in human health. So your topic must be relevant to biomedical research, even if you're using other models. The required summer component can include a workshop, individualized data sessions, or courses approved by our core director, Dr. Valafar. The budget is for up to $5,000. And if you decide to take a course which has tuition, this money can be used towards that course, as well as student salary or any aspect of student training. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on the formatting of the SITA application because this can be found on the SC INBRE website under the SITA funding tab. It's a short application, and the student should be submitting the letter of intent through the SC INBRE website, and then you need to check all the drop-down tabs on this website to confirm eligibility and find the overall format for submitting this proposal. It should be submitted as a single PDF file. The mentor is expected to submit this proposal through the scinbre.org website once it's complete. So the student works with their mentor to complete the proposal. The mentor will add their mentor collaboration form and make sure that the application gets all the required signatures for submission, and then submit the application through the scinbre.org website. The proposal for the students is relatively short. The project description is only 3 pages, and there are additional forms that go with this, of course. When you write your proposal, write it for a scientist who may not be an expert in your area. There should be no experiments planned that involve data acquisition. And in your proposal, be sure to detail which of the summer workshops or courses you would be involved in as part of this application. So you may be wondering what happens to your application. There'll be an initial screening by our South Carolina Administrative Core to make sure that all the signatures and form pages and the proposal meets the guidelines. They'll be sent out for a review by a panel of experts, scientists. Usually this involves 3 reviewers, and they're going to send back comments and scores. These scores are tallied by South Carolina INBRE and sent to our external advisory committee for review, and they will make a recommendation on which applications should be funded. Should they recommend your proposal for funding, you will be notified by our South Carolina INBRE Principal Investigator, Dr. Edie Goldsmith. Funding for all of our program needs to be approved by NIH before funds can be released. Who should you contact if you have questions? Dr. Homay Valafar is our South Carolina INBRE Bioinformatics Core Director, and he can answer questions about the workshop and approved courses for the SITA grant. If you have questions about the forms, application, or budget, please contact our South Carolina INBRE Program Manager, John Clarkson. If you have any general questions about South Carolina INBRE funding programs, please contact me. I look forward to receiving your applications.